In this video, we're going to show you how to defend yourself from somebody coming up from behind you and picking you up off the ground. Why might they do that? Well, the two worst case scenarios that I can think of is somebody picking you up and body slamming you into the floor, which could potentially kill you, or somebody picking you up to carry you off somewhere to do something terrible. So we need to know how to defend ourselves in this situation. In this video, we're going to show you how to defend yourself. We're going to show you how to release and break free should somebody grab you from behind. And we'll also show you a tip how to stop somebody from throwing you or moving around with you if in the worst case scenario they do lift you up off of the ground. Situational awareness is really important. Put your phone down, take your headphones out of your ears, take your hands out of your pockets and have an awareness of who's around you. If somebody's coming up from behind and they're getting a little bit too close to you, just move to the side and let them pass, or turn around and face them depending on the situation that you're in. So if I've taken Raoul by surprise, I've come up behind him and I've grabbed him with the intention to pick him up, the first thing he's going to do is he's going to drop his weight. He's going to drop his weight low to the ground and be as non-compliant as possible, okay? Have you ever tried to lift a drunk person before? It's incredibly difficult. By dropping your weight, it makes it very difficult for the attacker to pick you up and do what they want to do with you. So that's number one. Number two, control my hands. If my hands are controlled around his waist, it's far safer than them ending up around his neck. So he's going to control my hands. From here, he's going to work on releasing the grip. Everybody carries either a mobile phone or a set of keys. And we carry tactical pens too most of the time wherever we are. Use whatever you've got on your person to start stabbing away and smashing at the attacker's hands. And they're going to let go, I promise. If you don't have anything on you whatsoever, worst case scenario, grab hold of a finger or a thumb and tear it away, just like that. Make sure if you're ever in that situation, while you're applying that technique, you're screaming, making as much noise as you possibly can. You want to attract attention, you want people to come and help you and potentially frighten the attacker away. So guys, there's a trick that you can use that's going to restrict the attacker's ability to be able to lift you up and move around with you. And this works even if you're a much smaller person. So watch how easy it is for Raoul to lift Sylvia without Sylvia doing anything. Really easy, right? Now, if Sylvia applies this technique by just wrapping her leg underneath Raoul's, it's a lot more difficult. This is going to buy her time to be able to get the release and move away. We've looked at how to defend ourselves in that terrible situation. We've done a few different videos now on how to defend yourself against different grabs, takedowns, chest grabs, wrist grabs, you name it. So make sure you check those out. And if you like what you saw today, make sure you like and subscribe for more self-defense content. Okay, thanks everyone.